As COVID-19 continues to spread across Europe and through the United Kingdom, where I think we've now had 3 confirmed deaths as a result of the virus, strange things have been happening in society. A more cynical person than myself might look at what's been happening as an outbreak of a kind of mass hysteria. One thing's for sure, lots of people have been going to the supermarket and buying huge numbers of things like toilet rolls or bars of soap. In other words, they've been stockpiling things. If you stockpile, you buy large amounts of things that you might need. Some people also call it panic buying, but let's not be cynical. People have been stockpiling soap, they've been stockpiling toilet rolls, and supermarkets are now rationing these things.